guys, today we have very special guest, Kadambini Behra. She's from Odisha and she's a mother, she's a housewife, and she's a learner, she's a teacher. And guys, today we're gonna talk about many things. So ma'am, today, I'm really very happy. I'm super duper happy to have you here. And I really would like to thank you. You know, you agreed to come here. So thank you to being here. And so, ma'am, we're going to talk about many more things here. We'll talk about your life experiences. We'll talk about your career. We'll talk about what you have experienced as a mother. Okay.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, please introduce yourself.
Myself, Kadambini Behra. I am from Odisha, Bhubaneswar. I am a homemaker. My hobbies are reading books, traveling, photography, learning English, etc.
Great. Okay, so ma'am, I don't know, you are looking very beautiful today. And you always look beautiful, but today you are really looking very beautiful. And I want to ask you a question. I would like to start from here. What do you do to maintain this beauty and health, especially health? I'm not gonna talk about beauty. Beauty is a binary product. Actually, I want to talk about health. So, what do you do for having good health?
I am doing exercise regularly. Before this virus, I was going to gym. I was doing swimming, and good. I was taking a good health diet.
So,
Yeah.
ma'am, you just said you do exercise.
Yeah.
So, which kind of exercise you do?
In the morning time, every day I'm doing aerobics, yoga. Yeah, yoga aerobics I'm doing.
Really? So,
And
what exactly?
evening time also, sometimes I'm going evening walk.
So what exactly aerobics is, and how it helps to have a good health? Because I don't have much.
Aerobics.
I don't have much idea about aerobics.
Aerobics mean we are doing exercise with music.
Music.
When music is going on, that time we are continuing our exercise. After that, we will feel good. That's why during exercise, the music is going on.
Great. And you just said about swimming.
Yes.
So how often you do swimming? Like how many times?
Yeah, actually we are staying. My husband is doing in NTPC company. That's why we are staying in a NTPC company.
Okay.
And that's why we have many opportunities, and we are staying a government quarter in that location where I am living. So many options are there. We have ladies club, we have recreational center, we have a good club, and in that club we have outdoor indoor games with swimming pool. So means male swimming time is another time, and female swimming time is means different time.
Okay.
So I used to go swimming pool in the evening time, 5 to 6 o'clock.
Great. Yes. Okay. So, ma'am, before that, when I was talking to you, and you said, earlier you was like not very talkative. You were like an extrovert. But I'm talking to you right now, and before that, I talked to you. I didn't feel, even last time and today, I'm not feeling like you are extrovert. You are talking so well, and you are facing, camera so well. So how this happened, all these things?
Actually, I'm not too much talkative person or not less talkative person. I am ambivert, you can say.
Oh,
And
okay.
because and I got many friends through Skype, and every day we are talking on video call. And on that video call, I got confidence, and now I am able to facing camera. So I have confident that much. Now I'm
Okay.
able to talking with anyone on camera and not feeling any.
Okay. 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 One more question, related to, uh, I would like to ask question, what have you observed, changes in your life before marriage and after marriage, especially when you become a mother?
Yes. Um, yes. Uh,
As a
um,
mother.
as a mother, as a mother, I changed a lot. Um, Learn about responsibility and
Exactly.
behavior towards
Why,
children changed.
ma'am, why I'm asking this question, before
Yeah.
that, it's not only about mother. Like,
Mm,
if any guy, until he or she is not married, so, we are alone, we don't, have a sense of responsibility.
yes.
But, when we get married and when we have baby and
Yeah. After
you
getting
be,
ready,
yeah,
we have lots of responsibility.
responsibility, yeah. So in
Yes.
that sense, I'm asking this question.
Hmm.
Yeah.
In that sense, I can say learn about responsibility and behavior towards children changed.
Exactly, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. And even, I have heard many guys, they say they learn from their kids. It's not
Yes.
like yeah, kids are like a great
Yeah.
teacher in their life.
It's
Yeah.
true. It's true. I am learning also from my kids.
Okay. Ma'am, how do you balance, a life and work? Like,
Yeah.
why this question is important for me?
Hmm.
Uh, you know, many women and especially girls.
Yeah.
I'm not a gender bias here, but my mean is, I mean, many women, when they get married, when they get busy to take care of
Hmm.
family, take care of kids, take care of relatives, all these things,
Hmm.
they forget about their personal life. Okay,
Yeah.
so my question is, how do you balance all these works, career, and your personal life, like
Yeah.
having good health, giving time to you? How do
Hmm.
you balance these both things?
I can say about myself as a homemaker, I can manage everything in my life. Um, I can first I am giving priority to my family, my husband, my children, and after that I am giving myself. And also I am doing spiritual for some time, and learning sometime, and not sometime, I can say after taking care of them I'm giving full time for me. And now I can learn mm, how to balance my personal life and work very easily.
Okay, okay. Great. I think it's all these things in our Indian culture. If you
Yeah.
talk about women, they always say their first priority is to take care of their family, and then
Yeah.
their personal life. But at the
Yes.
same time, when I have conversation with foreign guy, especially
Yeah.
women from Germany,
Mm.
America, sometimes I don't know, they misunderstood India.
Mm.
I don't know what exactly going on their mind. They say Indian
What they are
women,
thinking.
yeah, Indian
Yeah.
women, they don't care about their personal life. They always give
Oh
so
my
much
God.
concern about family and blah 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 blah. So
Mhm. It
what
is
you think?
not true. No, no, I'm saying it is not true. Always Indian women are great and they are fully giving their time. First, they are giving their priority, their family, their husband, their kids, and after that, they are giving time themselves. All Indian women and female persons always they try to sacrifice their life.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Okay. So we'll talk about cooking. I really like cooking, and I want to
yeah,
talk
I
about
know.
this. So especially when I talk to any girl or women, I always, hey, are you good in cooking? So would you like
Mhm.
to share some recipe or some kind of cooking with me? So I will always try to explore cooking. In last pandemic,
Mhm.
I have learned everything in last pandemic. First time when lockdown imposed in India last year,
Mhm.
2020. So I would like to ask you, how much do you like cooking? Why I'm asking this question? Definitely, as a human, you cook and cooking. But how much do you like? Cooking is a different thing. But how much do
Mhm.
you like? Are you really like this process of cooking?
Yes, yes, obviously, I like cooking too much, and now I can cook every dishes. And you can't believe earlier I was miss earlier when I got married that time I didn't know about cooking. My
Oh,
mother-in-law and my husband they taught me how to cook, and now I'm
great!
now I can cook each and everything. I know how to
Wow.
cook very well.
So you mean when you got married, you didn't literally know anything? Yeah.
No, I knew only rice, dal, and simple potato fry.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay. Okay, one more thing I would like to ask you, which is your favorite dish? I mean, you really want to share that recipe, to people.
Chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani.
Yes.
Great, great, So I think foreigner people will, will be very happy because they always talk
Mhm.
about
Chicken biryani.
chicken biryani, especially the Indian chicken biryani. It's very famous
Mhm.
among, foreigner. Yeah, okay, great. Okay, so another question is about I don't know how much you are comfortable with this question. So may I ask about sex education to small kids and why I'm asking this question. When I was growing up, when I was in class 10th and 11th, like 14, 15 years old.
Mhm.
So nobody was there to tell me
Mhm.
how to handle,
Yeah.
because in that age we go through hormonal change. We there are so many things change in our body, mentally and
Mhm.
physically.
Yeah.
Okay, but many, especially if you talk about if your parents is not educated,
Mhm.
especially from remote area, small cities. So people, they don't want to talk about sex education. So what do
Yeah.
you think? Should we include kind of syllabus or in our curriculum, like everybody, especially the guy who are in like class 10, class 8, they get this kind of information. What do you
In
think?
my yeah, in my opinion, means in teenage boy or girls, they should know about sex. After that, they will get to know means what they will do, they don't do.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
exactly, and many guys, they they ruin their career,
Yeah.
their whole life, because
Mm-hmm.
this is a age of mostly when we are teenage. So mostly in that
Yes.
age we are we are habitual to get diverted.
Yeah.
And especially nowadays, we are living in an information era. Everything is available on internet.
Everything
Okay.
is available. Yeah.
Yeah. Even our parents doesn't know.
Yeah.
Our
Yeah.
parents, they don't know what exactly I'm doing with my mobile phone.
Yeah.
Okay. So I personally think, I don't know what you feel. I personally think, we should include some kind of courses, not like, bookish knowledge. I think so, teachers, it's a responsibility of teacher and parents to tell their
Yeah.
kids, especially
Yes, yes,
as
obviously. Just I'm going to say you with my kids, with my son, means I want to share each and everything. Now, he's a young boy, and as a mother, I want to just tell him how to do manage, how to control yourself. And it is not about relation between mother and daughter. Always I am is giving one information to all parents. Always we should keep friendship with our children.
exactly. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, let's talk about, language. I know in India, everybody speaks more than two, three languages, at least three languages.
Yes.
If you talk about me, I speak around
Yeah. Yeah.
three or four languages. I can understand, I think, four to five
Mhm.
languages, but I can speak three languages. So what
Mhm.
about you? How many languages you can speak?
I can speak four languages. Odia language is my native language, and English, Hindi, and South Indian language Telugu.
Telugu. Okay,
And
Telugu.
Bengali I can understand, but I can't talk.
Mhm. Okay,
Yeah.
just forget about English language. So talk about our Indian language. Do you know today is a Hindi Divas? And firstly, I would
Hindi
like to
dishes.
yeah, I would like to congratulate you. Today is a Hindi Divas, and
Mhm.
all Indian people, I would like to congratulate them. Okay,
Yes.
so we just have chosen this language to talk to converse. It's not like we don't
Mhm.
like our Hindi language. So
Mhm.
Hindi is our in our blood. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, so let me talk about languages. So you can
Yeah.
speak four languages, yeah, Odia, Hindi, and you talk about English
English,
language and
Telugu.
Telugu.
Yeah.
Okay, great. And it's a for foreigner people when sometimes I say I can speak three languages, four languages. They say, oh really?
Mhm.
You can
Mhm.
speak three languages, four languages. When I tell them, in India we have around 100 languages, more than 100 languages. They're like, what? Really? Something like that. So
Yes.
tell me something about your Odia language. Say
Mhm.
anything say anything in any one sentence at least in Odia language. Anything.
Anything. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, ଆପଣ କେମିତି ଅଛନ୍ତି?
What does it mean?
How are you?
Oh, great. And what in Telugu?
Uh, tell. Okay, okay, wait. Mm,
So
me,
in
wait,
in
wait, I
Telugu,
know, I know.
in Telugu
Telugu.
Telugu you can
Yes.
understand, but not you can't speak more
Yeah,
fluent. Yeah.
I used to talking Telugu language with my friends, but now mm, I I can speak, but not fluently.
Okay, great. It's okay. And definitely, uh, what about English language? Why you have chosen to learn this language?
Yes, I can say in my childhood, it was English was my favorite subject, and in my childhood, always I wanted to learn this language. When people are speaking in English language, that time means I have noticed how they are speaking very well, and when I will learn, when this time will come, then means one of my friend is there. I told to her how I will learn English language. Yeah, we know all. Means we can read, we can listen, but talking is very important to anyone.
Yeah.
So one of my friend suggest you can means join you can join group call, you can use many apps is there. And actually when I'm going to parents teacher meeting, that time I need to speak with principal, with teacher. It's very important for me
Yeah.
because we are already educated, so why don't we speak in English with them? And
But
that
okay.
time I don't want to speak in Hindi or Odia.
Why? Okay, this is my question. Why? Why? Okay, listen.
Why?
If every
Why listen? Because English is global language, and everybody wants to speak English very well. And my children are studying in DAB public school, and teacher, principal, they are speaking every day English. So why don't we speak with them? We know
uh,
Odia, Hindi. That's why I means I wanted to learn English.
okay, my question is, as you told what I observed, you said, in your childhood when somebody was
Yes.
there speaking English language,
Mm-hmm.
so you had kind of curiosity when I will speak English.
Curious. Yes, yes.
Okay, why it's not about other language? Like when
I
you,
don't
you
know
were
why. I don't know why. When English, I'm listening. It's amazing feeling inside me. I can't say you that type of means feeling.
that, that's what I want to understand. It's just because of
No, no,
feeling.
because because foreign people are speaking English, and it's a means global language, and where means in which city, and where means suppose we will go any foreign country, all people will speak only English. And when you will speak English, all people will think about you. No, means he or she is a very educated lady. I am thinking, it's my opinion.
That's what I was asking. Many guy in
Yes,
India,
yes.
especially in our country, they
Mm,
think if they will speak English, they will sounds like a very smart guy, very intelligent
yes,
guy. That's not
yes.
true. But I don't know
Mm-hmm.
why we have this, sense of feeling. When I'll speak English, I'll sounds
Mm-hmm.
very smart and very intelligent. I don't know. It's not about, if you look, we have many languages: Bengali, we like Tamil, Odia,
Mm-hmm.
Kannada, Marathi. But in my mind, I never thought in my entire life that someday I will learn Marathi and Bengali, something like that. Because I don't know who just convey this kind of message. I don't know. I think it's because of celebrity. Many celebrity are there, even in Bollywood.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly, I think 70 to 80% cases they speak English language when they
English.
comes on
Even
news
they know,
channel.
yeah, they know Hindi very well. So
Exactly.
why were they means speaking here English every day?
It sounds like very kind of dual behavior. They make movie in a Hindi. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
they make movie in a Hindi, but when they go for promotion,
Mm-hmm.
they when they talk to media, they talk
Yeah.
English language.
Yes.
Okay, I'm not kind of here judgmental about language, English language, Hindi language, but I just want to understand. And today is a Hindi Divas. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
okay. Let me share my opinion. When I was very young, like in high school, so I was having a feeling of when I speak English,
Mm-hmm.
people understand I'm intelligent. I was getting so much attention when I was in English. I was speaking a tutti frutti English, like I was just
Yes.
managed
Broken
to,
English.
yeah, I was just
Yes.
managed to, share my intro, something very, kind of tutti frutti, something broken.
Mm-hmm.
But even after, I was getting attention. My teacher was saying, "Oh, this guy can speak English." I was not very good, and from where I got kind of I was started feeling kind of proud. Oh, I can speak English and I'm getting attention. And these things is not with my mother tongue and Hindi and other language.
Yeah.
So that was the first impression on my mind. Okay, definitely, if I'll speak English, okay, it's a global
You know
language.
what was my first impression in English? One day I was traveling train, and one TT came and he asked me about ticket, and TT was South Indian, and he does not speak Telugu with us, because means he was thinking, if I will ask South Indian language, so
Yeah.
nobody will tell me answer. And he was asking me in English, and that
Okay.
time means I am unable to speak English. How I will speak? Then after that, when the TT went in front of me, means I was not feeling good. I thought, no, means now it's a high time to learn English.
Okay. Great. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's actually one of my teacher. He told me, "Do you want to know? We talk about our language. Why people are not eager to talk in Hindi? People are not giving respect to Hindi. Why? Or any other regional language? Not I'm not specific with Hindi, like Bengali and Odia, any language. They people feel like when they speak English, so they sounds very intelligent. Why this kind of people sense people have this kind of thought. So he just told me, Jeevan, if you really want to save your language, your native language like Hindi, Odia, or any language, you must learn English language. Firstly, be fluent in English language,
Mm-hmm.
and just tell those people who feel ashamed to talk in Hindi,
Mm-hmm.
that English is just a medium of communication, and don't talk with them in Hindi language. Firstly, make them realize you can talk, you can speak very fluent English. Then start talking in Hindi. Okay,
Hindi.
so then
Yeah,
they will get
exactly.
realize that, oh, this guy can speak very fluent English. This guy can speak better than us, but he's talking in Hindi. He's talking in Odia. He's talking in Bengali. Then only
Mm-hmm.
you can save. Then only you can save your original language, especially in this environment, where everybody feel proud when they speak English.
Yeah. Hmm.
Okay, it's too much about the language. Okay, let's move. Another question. I'm thinking. Uh, let's talk about motivation factor. If you open YouTube, so you will get so many motivational video there. There are even especially in India in Hindi language there are many motivational speaker are there.
Mm-hmm.
And even I like to listen motivational stories, motivational life journey on TED Talks, and there are many channels, many people. They are motivational speaker. So what about you? Are you inspired by any guy? It could be anyone, like any motivational speaker, any personality.
Mm, yeah, I like Sadhguru.
You like Sadhguru?
Sadhguru. He's a,
Jaggi Vasudev. Sadhguru Jaggi
yeah,
Vasudev.
maybe.
Yeah,
Yeah. He's from Tamil Nadu.
yeah, I know him.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
very famous. Not even for
He's
South
very
India.
famous. Yeah, and I like all videos of him. All videos.
Uh-huh. So why do you watch his video? I mean Sadhguru. Why do you follow
Uh,
him?
first up, first up. I wanna to improve my English. And second thing, he is speaking, he is suggesting many more good things about relation, about family, about education, everything. That's why I like his videos.
Yeah, even I have been watching his video. I think from 2 year. Yeah, he's a great guy.
Mhm.
So
Yeah.
what about personality? Are you inspired by any guy like politician, Bollywood star, any guy?
Mm, yeah, I can say if Bollywood, then Madhuri Dixit, and about politician Kiran Bedi,
Wow.
and one of my foreign country friend. She is from Germany. I like both of them.
You like and you are inspired by them, yeah?
Yeah, I'm inspired by them.
Okay, so what one thing about Kiran Bedi you really like?
Yeah. I like Kiran Bedi because she was first IPS officer, and mm, as per I know, she is a very smart girl. She is very strict woman. I like all the things about
Yeah,
her career.
exactly. Okay,
Yeah.
great.